Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So happy new year to everyone. So today I'm gonna show you how I spend the first few days of my new year. So right now I'm at the airport. I'm just preparing for my flight, which is what's going on right now. I love voiceover. Okay. And yeah, so this is what Vancouver looked like up in the air. Up in the air. Anyways, stay tuned. Mother! Antok na kayo, Nay. Nasa mata nyo. Kumusta na? Happy New Year, Nay. Kumusta, Nay? Makapag-vlog, Nay, para naman may vlog tayo. No, ang dami namang rice, Nay. Para namang ako para sa kanila. Pwede ako na lang kumuha, Nay.
A few moments later.
Pagbukas pa lang namin ang TV, may upload na naman siya.
As in, okay lang, wala naman ako ng vlog ko. Kayo mag-alala. Kayo lang din. Ano mga kaibigan ko, kayo mag-alala ng vlog ko. Kayo
Pero
lang
at least
din.
updated kami sa mga chika happenings mo.
As in, it's giving influence.
Kakanta ko. The weather outside is...
Ang ganda naman ni Beanie. Hello, Dad.
Hi vlog, welcome to my guys.
Ito naman po sila. Na-remember nyo ba ang house tour?
Nakita nyo ba ang aming
Yung house tour natin.
Yung house tour.
Kung wanted na kami, dapat ma-remember nyo na kami. Work ng work pads, gano'n.
Ito na po ang pinakamayaman kong kaibigan sa Edmonton.
Makaba dito nga rin.
Salamat sa
Tingnan
pag-ride,
tayo,
Dax.
yung
Hi ka
mountain
naman sa vlog natin, Dax. Hello. Isa sa
Dito tayo sa pinakamahal. 70%.
70% off, girl, oh. Tingnan natin. Look who's here! The very beautiful Miss Katie. And the two kids there. The beautiful Katie.
Hi.
We don't have a group. Ay, sorry. Okay, may liwanag. Sorry. Hi ka naman, di Becca. Hi ka naman. Ay, ang ganda. Sobrang ganda. Akala ko si Catherine. Hello to my vlog. Busy po sila. Busy. Go, Becca. Ipakita mo yung talento mo. Ipamalas mo sa mga Canadian na is magaling ang Becca Dichoso.
Wow!
Nag-iisa yan.
Ate, special kayo ah.
Wala, masikip yung kabilang pa ako.
Ha?
Masikip yung kabilang pa ako. Hindi makapasok.
Ano? Pwede mo?
Okay.
Sige, yan.
Wala, hindi kita tumayin.
Sige. Basta kung gusto mong igalaw, idiretso mo lang. Yan. Didiretso yan kapag diretso yung ano mo. Yan. Yan, galing naman ni Becca. Yan. Yan. Ganon, tama yung ginawa mo. Tama. Ayan na. Sige na, go. Dali. Go. Woo! Go, Becca.
Galing nyo kaya?
Galing mo ah.
Kaway! Kaway! Yan. Smile! Ay, iba talaga.
Ilan na to? Pang-apat na ba to?
Ang laki ng gloves.
Gloves na yan eh.
Ha? Ay, clubs na ba to? Sorry, bakit?
Palit nga kayo ng gloves.
Ay, ba tayo nagkapalit ng vlogs?
Oo, sira.
Ay, okay, sorry.
Yeah, we have the same.
Good job, guys. Ang galing nyo. Practice.
Uwi na kami.
Uwi na. Oh, sulit natin yung ganggo hanggang 9 p.m. Sulitin natin.
More practice pa pa. Akit ka muna to sa puno, sa pine tree.
Ha? Dito ba? Teka lang.
Oh, bilis. It's giving Christmas. Winter Wonderland here in Edmonton.
Tayo na.
Iba talaga.
Kumusta, Becca? Ang yung first...
Super frozen lahat ng mukha ko, yung lashes ko.
It's giving Korean.
Yeah, it's giving Korean War 2.
Very big, bibimbap. Anong masasabi mo sa, sa ating snowboard adventure?
Fun. I love it.
Ano yung
It's
mga
my first
expectation
time
mo na na parang, ay, ganito pala, ganito ganyan.
In-expect ko na super galing ko.
Sobrang taas naman ang expectation mo, girl.
Oo, yung expectation ko na dito, pero yung level ko na dito lang. So,
Ano yung masaya sa sa pagsa-snowboard? Ano yung tingin mo na?
syempre, masaya pagkasama mo ang tropa.
Yee! Mahirap ba siya?
Super. Lalo na pag na-butt hurt ka.
Sige na. Kaya yung iba, nagsusuot sila ng galing-galing mo dun. Sobrang galing mo. Inilaban mo talaga.
Grabe
I'm so
yung
proud of
outfit
you.
natin,
Parang very professional. Salamat po. Vlog naman tayo. Yan po sila, fresh from the snow. Walang bakas ng
Still frozen.
Ano ba kami jumper?
It's giving. Ito tayo sa napakaganda. Ito po ang ating pinaka-multi-talented na kasama. Rapper, bassist, bassist.
Racist. Ano ba ka maniwala yung mga viewers mo?
Kayo
Maniniwala na ako.
Napatanim.
Maniniwala na ako, babe. Kasi tayo lang di manonood.
Kasi... Bye guys! See you sa Vancouver ah. Siyempre magbabalag tayo. Bye-bye. Ingat kayo.
So, did you enjoy your snowboarding yesterday with your
fun.
friend?
We had a lot of like snowboard stuff last night. It was cold, -30. My eyes is like this. I can barely open my eyes. Like, why is my eyes hurting?
Fresh your eyes, eh?
I noticed it because I can barely open my, like, why is my eyes like hurting? And then because it's freezing.
So, what to do if like that, if the ice is freezing?
Oh, you just
You need
have
to cover it?
Can't cover it.
But some people
Go
don't
boarding.
even. Some people wear stuff, but some people don't even wear. So it's like because you're moving a lot, right?
Yeah.
As long as you're fully covered body.
Maybe need shade. No?
It's dark, so you can barely see a thing.
So, you're done with your breaking?
And they also have like a restaurant there upstairs.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
That's what I do. So whenever I want to take a break for like maybe 15 minutes, I go there and then have coffee. Like last night we had hot chocolate and all that.
Let the steam from the coffee melt your eyes.
Yeah, it kind of like sort of warm you up a little bit because you've been there for like 2 hours, like and all that. So. Good morning, guys. Welcome to Edmonton. Ano na sabihin ko?
So, what can you say about your breakfast today?
My breakfast is amazing. It has one of the best ingredients I can find in Edmonton. The taste is very natural, organic, no chemicals, nothing like that.
Chemicals? Your breakfast have chemicals?
No, I said it doesn't have any chemicals. Just
Okay.
natural and organic.
So, what did you have today? You have pancake?
Eggs and
Maple syrup from down east.
Oh, yeah?
and the eggs is like they're walking around, roaming around. The chicken are roaming around because the eggs are like really good. It's very tasty. No chemicals, no vitamins. Let's go. Sige na, pasok na kayo na. Let's go. Yan naman tayo na eh.
Going back to BC.
Ground tayo na, di ba? Mother, binablog din ako. Pero sa'yo nagpa-vlog na eh. Hindi ako na lang yung vlog nila eh.
So, what time is your flight?
My flight is, I think, 11 or 12. So, I'm excited. I'm gonna get canceled. Hopefully not. Ano yung ano vlog na yun?
Why? My God, it's super cold here. Ah.
Thank you guys for watching. Happy New Year.
We are now inviting all remaining passengers. You may now proceed to departure gate 70 for boarding with your passport open. Gate 70 for 7607 with service to Cancun.
Ready,
Or should I
set?
do it in my like chat voice? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
Oh my god. Can you make it more like happy? Happy version.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.